Alyssa here at Pacifier North Loop, and we have a very special edition of the Kiddo Corner today. So we have carried these kits, the Giant Bubble Kits, for probably about 5 years now, and I have never opened one. And I basically am I got here before store open today. We are gonna go outside and we are gonna put this product to the test. So what it comes with is 2 really big bubble wand holders. So this is the contraption, and it's basically, it kind of looks like a jump rope to me. But this is what we're going to use to create the bubbles. You can see you kind of do something like this, I think. And then it comes with all of these bubble concentrate little packages. So it looks like it comes with 5. We are going to use 1 of them today. We're going to mix the bubble concentrate with some water in a bucket, head outside, and see how big of a bubble we can blow. Okay, I've got my giant bubble wand. I've got a bucket full of concentrate. Let's give it a go. Okay, first time is a fail. The trick is just letting the wind do it, maybe.
Now let's have some kiddos test it out.
Wow.
Whoa!
That's my turn. No, it's, remember I do it one more time. No, why? You get one more. Yeah, this was a good one.
Okay, so some hot tips to share when using your ginormous bubble wand. The first is to make sure you don't get any twisties in your rope, because then the bubbles won't blow. The next tip is to make sure that you are bringing it up in the direction that the wind is blowing. Otherwise, your bubbles are going to pop right away. And then the final trip, where I got the best bubbles, is to kind of, instead of move it if it's a little windy out, to just hold it and then let the wind do all of the work and blow really nice, big, long bubbles. So definitely I would recommend it for kiddos ages 6 and up. To adults, I would say. I had a lot of fun. And it's the WOWmazing Bubble products. So thanks for following along. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. We do sell all of the WOWmazing Bubble products, this one including the refill concentrate kits, both online and in our 4 locations in Minneapolis. And follow along to see us unbox and try out some of our additional favorite toys.